So I'm a big fan of the Linus Tech Tips channel on YouTube, and I'm also a big fan of 3D printing. So as I was watching Linus Tech Tips, I came across this video. You wouldn't download a PC case and print it, would you, or something like that? Well, I did print it. So this is going to be a really interesting build. I'm going to have to modify it quite a bit, because my radiators are not 360 millimeters. Mine are 2800. Yeah, that's right. No, 2800. No, 280 wide, because this is a water-cooled build. But yeah, this is going to be very interesting how this is going to go. I'm quite excited about it, but it's progressing pretty well. It's just what I got so far. This is printed in PETG, so it's around 20% infill, 3 perimeters, very sturdy so far. We've got, what's it called, metal inserts, I forgot, is it copper? I'm not sure, but yeah, got the inserts, M4. So, but yeah, I'm going to have to modify it quite a bit. For example, this, I got a 100-watt power supply, and it doesn't fit in with this one, sadly. So you got that excess 2 centimeters here. So I'm going to have to modify this box, for example. This is just where the cables are stored inside this box. So I'm going to have to modify it sadly. But yeah, this is just a prototype print. So it's going to be quite a bit of waste, but that's just part of the design process.